Hello everyone and welcome to Season 11 of Inanimate Objects. The reason why I quit Veterans vs. Newcomers is because there's no way I'm doing 40 contestants. I want to enjoy my summer. So anyways, there are 25 contestants battling to win $1 million. Now without further ado, let's show the contestants. Eric. I want to win that fucking money, and I'm going to win it whatever you like it. And Kyle, I know you've been talking about me for the past season in season 9, so shut your goddamn mouth. Trying gum. I mean, it's pretty nice to be here, to be honest with you. Middle school yearbook. I've joined this because my little brother yearbook joined, so why not join this season? Babam plush. It's great to be back here. I won't say be quiet again. That's pretty weird. Uno box. I want to be on a thumbnail for once. Camera. I want to have another chance in the competition. Kazoo. Hi guys. Wait, please don't play your music. Alright, let's just show the rest. Birthday card, NFC reader, boomerang ball, blue heat, Duncan, the Babysitters Club book, Spider-Man skateboard, Z, Tomodachi Life UK version, Star Bubble On trophy, Funko Pop, Black Panther Funko Pop, Captain Toad disc, Yell marker, calculator, Switch. Oh, come on, and 3DS. It's finally great to be back again. What do you have that for? Please close that. Okay, I wasn't expecting that. So anyways, of course, we're gonna make 5 teams of 5. Now anyways, if I call your name, that means you're on this team. Or whatever team I say. Also, your first challenge is the ships. If all of your team members gets knocked off the ship, well, you lose. Anyways, if I call your name, that means you're on this boat. The orange one all the way to the left. Uno box. The water hasn't started yet. Black Panther Funko Pop. Can you grab your other 3 teammates? Yeah, sure, who are they? Star Bubble On, Yo Marker, and Babam Plush. Okay, gotcha. Alright, come on guys, we're all a team together. Shoot. Alright. If I say your name, then that means you're on team 2. And we'll be on the BFDI bag. 3DS. Oh, shoosh. Middle school yearbook. And then we have Trident gum, Captain Toad disc, and Blue Heat. Alright, come on guys. It's all for nothing. Oh, hey Blue Heat, it's nice to see you again. Another season. Yeah, you too. Well, you guys met before? Oh yeah, we have. We had a decent bond. Yeah. If I call your name, that means you're on the 3rd team and you'll get this box boat Funko Pop. Oh, great. If whoever's on my team, they're mostly going to get out on this boat. Kazoo. Then we have Trophy, the Babysitters Club book, and Eric Cartman. Oh, great. I get the fucking worst boat. The worst boat is like that one. It's the smallest one. Ha! I wonder who's going to be on that boat, right? Yeah. You earn my respect. Oh, thanks. God. Oh, thank God. At least someone likes me. Alright, if I call your name, that means you're on the 4th team. We'll get the smallest boat. Switch. Oh, come on. I'm the first one to get on the smallest boat. What do you expect? Spider-Man skateboard. Oh, gosh. We're going to be filled up. Calculator. Yep, we're definitely screwed. Camera. This is getting even worse. Oops. And birthday card. Yep, we're definitely losing. Wait, what are you doing? I'm getting on top views because I need to play my video. Just remember, I'm not being cringe. I'm just doing what I'm doing. That means the rest of you are on a team. Boomerang Ball, Tomodachi Life UK version, Duncan, NSC Reader, and Z. You guys will be on the last boat, which is pretty big. Alright, 5 teams. You may start right about now. Let me just turn it up. Alright guys, if you want to win, we gotta stay protective. Yeah, you know that's the key. I mean, that is true. I got an idea. Hey, get off our boat, middle school yearbook. Hey. Oh yeah? Watch this. No! Whatever. Hey, where's our other teammate? Right here. Oh, sorry, Captain Toad Disc. It's whatever. Let's see. Oh, that's good. Hey guys, look, coming through. Huh? 3DS is out. Yeah, that was a really bad idea. I didn't mean to. Oh, I'm getting electrocuted.
That's what happens, bruh. I mean, you're an electronic after all.
I know, Z. Well, I don't think we're going to do this good. Well, according to my calculations, you guys, if we just stick around all together like this, then we could probably get saved. Oh yeah, smart one. Want to fight? No. Come on, let's fight. I don't think that's a good idea. I agree with NFC Reader, mate. I don't think you want to do that. Just do what I want. Stupid United Kingdom man. Wow, you couldn't even make a good roast, mate. Come over here. What the? What the? Wait, don't I remember you from somewhere? Weren't you my self-park partner in all the way in season 8? Yeah. Yep. Get him off!
What the heck? What the fuck, dude?
What? He was on the opposite team. You do realize I'm on camera, right? Duncan, would you mind get off me? No. You literally took a picture of me in season 8, so this is my revenge for you doing that to me. Camera's out. Thank God. Calculator, what are you doing here? Duncan threw me. He's so rude, I heard. Don't worry, we'll get you back over there.
Really? You mean it?
Yeah. Alright, here you go. Oops. Calculator is out. Great, we're losing. Well, that means I can finally breathe now, man. Okay, I'll make a distraction, okay? Okay, do your best. Oh!
What the hell? Who did that?
I think it was Spider-Man skateboard.
Oh, you're not going fucking anywhere, man.
Ow!
Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Ow! Stop hitting me! I don't give a shit. Oh! Ow! 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 Take that, motherfucker!
Well, it looks like Spider-Man skateboard has been out. Saving a store bubble one. Wait, no, I fell off by Eric. Well, that still counts. Oh, come on! So, everyone but them has one team member off. And us. Oh yeah, and them too. Great, now we're at 2 people remaining. Hey, I didn't know you could fly. Oh yeah, that's my thing. Anyways, which team should I sabotage? Them. Hey guys, I think you want to look up. Huh? What's up, guys? What the? Kazoo's out. Wait, what about Trophy? Well, he's safe because look. Oh my gosh. I'm safe. Oh my god, this is so epic. What the? What are you doing here? Get out of here. What the fuck? Well, looks like Trophy and Funko Pop are out.
That's not fair. This stupid little mushroom head just threw our teammate and hit another of our teammate.
Yeah, I agree with Eric on that one. Too bad. Man, you're so hopeless, man. Anyone want a pack of gum? Yeah, I've been craving some. Alright, here you go. You gonna give it? Here you go. Thanks. Oh, what flavor is this? Blue raspberry. Pretty good. I'm pretty sure that's minty fresh.
Can I do this, Mike? If you be careful, man. You don't know what's gonna happen. I mean, I broke my right ankle once.
Really? You did? Can you tell us?
Sure, NFC reader. I can tell you all about it. Oh no! No one is gonna kill me or him. Get out! Ah!
Yellow Marker and Tomodachi Life UK version are out.
What was that?
Man, that was a big throw.
Great, now we have one of our teammates out, bruh.
So, basically you got shot out of a cannon.
Yep, bruh, that's how I lost my leg. Damn.
Alright. Anyone want to sacrifice themselves to be a cannonball? I'm getting pretty tired of this challenge. Sorry, but we're using Uno Box. Yeah, I volunteered. Wait, what? Fire! Are you gonna watch me? Uno Box is out.
Dang it.
Oh! No! What the? Get your squiggly diggly out of here. Bomb plush is out. I'm not losing. No. Oh yes, you're gonna lose, whether you like it or not. Blue Heat's out. Okay, dude, you're gonna pay for that. No, get back to your side, man.
Really? Why do people keep going for our team?
Maybe it's because it's the biggest out of all of us, the tallest one.
Yeah, that's part of the reason. Who threw it?
Black Panther for the pup.
You mean that idiot?
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. Oh. Ow! Ow!
Man, that really hurt. Just gotta watch your back. I know. This is getting really boring.
Exactly, bruh.
Get out of here. You're not on our team.
We're literally right next to each other, bruh. We can literally talk.
Your plans never work.
Bro, I do not want to talk to you, Z. Get out.
Bruh, it's a boat. I'm not gonna jump off. Just for me to talk to you, bruh.
Whatever. Can I just push switch off?
You know what? Since he's mean to me, bruh, I'll let you do it.
Thanks. Oh, ow! Did you change my video NFC reader?
This is my comeback.
Wait. Sorry, I'm putting them to the side. Wrong one. I meant. Oh! It looks like Trying Gum and NFC reader been knocked off. I'm literally the only one left on my team. How am I supposed to do this? Well, I think you're just gonna lose today. You wanna know why? What the?
Hey, get off! Get off!
Nope, too bad. I'm flinging you off, Eric.
Oh no! Leave me alone!
Ah! Ow! Oh, come on! Oh, come on! Ha! Boomerang ball and Duncan are out.
Like, chill out, bro. You need to take a calm down medicine. Hold up.
Yeah, I did it! Eric is out. Great. Just great. Oh my gosh, I'm all wet now. My lid! Where's my lid? Oh, there it is. Let me just sneak this back on. Alright, that's better. Alright. Activation. Crash plan. Ah! Birthday card? What are you doing here? Oh! Dude! Ugh. Crap. Hey, I stand! Not for long. Looks like birthday card's out. Great, now I'm the only one. Bro, you do realize I was on the other boat, right? Oh yeah, right. Middle school yearbook? Yeah? Fling me to... Okay, you can't be on for that long. Hey, get off! Nope. Captain Toad Disc is out. Okay, dude, what the heck was that for? Sorry, but there's one person on each boat now, so I think it's only fair. You do make a good point, but I'm getting you off. Nope. Well, you're the easiest target. No! You're getting off first, buddy. Oh. I'm gonna slam dunk you, and then you're gonna lose. Oh, yeah? Prove it. Alright, I will. Slam dunk first. No! Oh. Ow. Sorry, Babysitter's Club book. But I'm up against Black Panther. Ah! What are you doing on my boat? Sorry, I'm trying to fight middle school yearbook. Oh. Well, good luck with that. Nope. Not so fast, buddy. Wait, what? I'm just gonna fling you across the room. Ah!
Whoa. How did he do that? Wow.
This is pretty cool. I might keep it.
Wow. I can't believe Black Panther Funko Pop shaped this to a heart, man.
You do realize that is a paper heart.
It is, bruh. Look.
I know it's a paper heart.
Oh, come on. Look, just share love, man. Everything will be fine.
I do not want to take that. Well, it seems like Black Panther Funko Pop's team will be up for voting today's episode. Oh, come on. Why did my team have to get targeted? Well, dude, you wanted to start the fight, so I wasn't the one that started the fight. We both fight it. It's our fault, but you started the fight. Oh, really? Really? Yeah. Trying to win from my little brother, dude. He's my world to me. And he is my world. Okay, that's cool and all, but can you get out? No! Whatever. Alright, everyone, go back to your teams now. Everyone is now been out of the water, and the water stopped. Get out of here. Ow! Well, did we win? Well, yeah, we did. Of course we won. Well, let's just stop this, water. Alright, now that that's over with. Now, Black Panther Funko Pop. Star Bubble Wand. Uno Box. Bomb Bomb Plush. and yellow marker. You 5 will be placed up for elimination, and one of you will be the first one eliminated off of Inanimate Objects Season 11. Oh my gosh. Viewers, don't vote me off. You know how good I was in Season 7. Yeah, me too. I only got a new update, man. It's just for the best. Could someone make me stand up? Look, just stay like that, man, okay? Alright. Viewers, vote one of these 5 to be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will be the first one eliminated off of Inanimate Objects Season 11.
Well, fuck. Well, we almost lost.
Well, I only just saw the fight of middle school yearbook, and yep, and me against Black Panther Funko Pop. Well, sorry about my action, guys. I didn't mean to. Well, it's okay, 3DS. Thanks, man. Really appreciate it. Yeah, anytime, man. Just remember, if you need any help, just get me, okay? Gotcha. Ooh. What are you saying ooh to? 3DS of Blue Heat, sitting in a tree. KISSING. I'm literally gonna... You know what? Should you... what is he doing? You'll find out. You want to say that again? It was just a joke. It was just a joke. I'm serious. Yeah, Blue Heat, just calm down. Alright, my fault. My fault. Well, now that the first episode's finally done, now I can finally end the episode. Oh, I thought that was gonna end the episode, bruh. Bruh.